Hey family, welcome back to Everything's Major. For today's episode, my mom is going to show you how to make her mouth-watering chicken and shrimp pasta recipe. This pasta contains succulent chicken and plump shrimp, all in a luxurious creamy sauce. This dish is perfect for a weeknight dinner or a Sunday dinner. So without further ado, let's make it major. All the information and ingredients are down in the description box. So sit back and relax while my mom do all the work and you enjoy the ride. For where two or more are gathered in my name, there am I with them. Matthew 18:20. Everything's major. Everything's major. Family, this is a quick and simple recipe. We're going to brown 6 to 8 ounces of chicken breast on both sides in some avocado or olive oil. When your chicken is cooked thoroughly, remove it from your skillet and set aside. Now add in your shrimp and cook on both sides for a couple of minutes. The seasonings we use was salt and pepper, onion and garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, Italian seasoning, and sweet paprika. Once shrimp turns pink, remove from the skillet and set aside. Mom cooked about 5 to 6 strips of bacon until nice and crispy. Add a tablespoon or 2 of butter and saute 1 large onion. Mom added about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and we sauteed 1 red pepper and 1 yellow pepper and a head of minced garlic. While we work on this luxurious cream sauce, we're going to boil 1 box of angel hair pasta noodles in some chicken broth and kosher salt. Now let's work on our creamy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of flour and mix well. Then stir in some heavy cream. Add in some shredded Parmesan cheese and some whole milk. We also season the cream sauce with the same seasonings with the salt, pepper, onion, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and paprika. But make sure to adjust the seasonings to your liking. Now add in your sauteed veggies and mix very well. By now that sauce should be getting thick. Now add in your meat, add in your bacon, add in your shrimp, and add in your chicken. We added a big splash of chicken broth to thin out the sauce. You can also use your pasta water too. Now let's toss up our pasta noodles. We use angel hair pasta, but you can also use linguine or fettuccine noodles as well. Now finish tossing your noodles in that delicious cream sauce. Toss everything together until well coated. We didn't have any tomatoes, but you can also use some cherry tomatoes or some sun-dried tomatoes. Garnish with some chopped parsley and enjoy. Mom did an excellent job on this chicken shrimp pasta recipe. It's luxurious but yet simple. It's perfect for any occasion and my taste buds were definitely satisfied. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, family. Until the next delicious encounter, I will see you again real soon next time on Everything's Major. God bless you. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.